see your pictures because I am.
Ponieważ technika była słaba, więc wybierali najkrótszą drogę, żeby się odwiedzić.
And naturally, with not advanced technology, they would always choose the shortest the way to meet, to visit and revisit one another.
Przez Polskę najkrótszą.
Naturally, across Poland.
I kiedy już wchodzili albo jedni, albo drugi, to orientowali się, że ten kraj jest całkiem nawet ładny.
So once either one side entered Poland or the other nation entered Poland, they would look around and they thought, well, that's quite a pretty country. Why don't we stay on for longer?
Zostawali tu na dłużej, raz ponad 120 lat nie było nas na mapach.
And on one occasion, Poland was erased from the maps of the world for more than 120 years.
W momencie Chiny powiedzą, co się wygłupiamy, przyłączmy Europę do Chin i przegłosujmy.
At one point, they might say, well, there is no point in inventing too much. Why don't we have Europe join in with China? And they will certainly have the majority to pass that vote.
Referendum.
They will organize a referendum, and that will be it.
I dlatego musimy coś zrobić.
So we have to do something about those principles.
Albo poprawić tutaj strukturę.
We need either to reform the principle, the structures of democracy,
Albo musimy się szybko wziąć do roboty.
or all get down to work immediately
W każdym domu musi być co najmniej 30 dzieci.
and end up with at least 30 children in every household.
Jakieś referendum
Then
wygramy.
who knows, we might stand a chance of winning something.